Today I'm showing you a great way to use leftover rice by making these fried rice chips. So the other day I made some sticky rice for lunch. I just made a basic sushi style rice with some rice wine vinegar, salt, and some sugar. Fast forward a few days and I still had some rice chilling in my fridge, so I decided to make these little rice chip tuiles. All you have to do is add your leftover rice into a blender with a small amount of water. Start with less water and add in more if necessary. Once it's blended, the rice should look like a thick paste. Then you want to smooth it out onto dehydrating trays and pop them in the dehydrator overnight. Just kidding, I don't have a dehydrator. So what we are actually going to do is cover a plate with some cling film and spread the rice out onto that. Then I just pop this into the microwave for 2 minutes until the rice paste turns into a pliable like sheet. Once the rice is dehydrated, you can get some oil onto the stove to heat up. While that was heating, I just made a spice mix with some chopped up nori, sesame seeds, chili flakes, and a little salt to toss the rice chips in once they're finished. When the oil reaches 350 Fahrenheit, it's time to start frying. These don't take long to cook through, only a few seconds aside. Once they're crisp, remove them from the oil and toss them in the spice mix or just leave them plain. You can serve these as a snack on their own or use them to garnish salads and other dishes. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the red button below and subscribe. See you guys next time.